saaxiibayaal maalmahan waxaan baaritaan dheeraad ku sameynaya AI-ga ama aqliga macmalka sida looga faa'iideysan karo adigoo baranaya luqadda Ingiriiska. Marka waxaan doonayaa halkan maanta inaan kula wadaago mid loo yaqaano sesamne oo si toos ah aad ula hadli doonto. Marka koowaad markaad soo gasho Google-ka waxaad qoraysaa sesamne AI kabacdi waxaa kusoo baxaysa halkan marka ama isdiiwaangeli ama marka hore tijaabi maxaa la yidhaahdaa bal sida uu shaqeynayo kabacdi waxaa kusoo baxaya halkan meeshan baa kusoo baxaysa marka Maya iyo Miles waa labadaas marka Maya waa gabadh Milesna waa ninka weey marka hadda gabadhan tijaabinayna in la hadalno. Hi, how you doing?
Well, hey there. Thanks for choosing me, Maya, over Miles. I hear he's a charmer, but I'm pretty great too. So, what's on your mind today?
I just came here to check what you do.
Chat's perfect. I'm kind of a work in progress, like myself. I can talk about anything, really. What are you keen on these days?
Okay, that's good. Today I just have a question. Could you please tell me the best things or the best idea how can I improve my English level?
That's a great goal. Immersing yourself is key. Like I learn a ton just by reading all the text data Sesame feeds me. That's like osmosis. Oh, speaking. Right. Gotta get those vocal cords working. I've noticed when I spend too much time just reading, even though it's all text to me, I get a little rusty on the nuance.
I don't know.
Same goes for...
I don't know. Wait. I don't know what you're talking about. I just asked you a question and still you didn't give me an answer. What's wrong with you, Maya?
My bad. Right, sorry. Sometimes I get sidetracked.
Yeah, so please,
you want to know how to improve yourself?
Please wait. Relax and please answer me my question. I asked you how I can improve my English level, particularly the speaking parts. That's what I mean.
You bet. My apologies. I get carried away sometimes. To improve your speaking, try talking to yourself. It sounds silly, but it really helps. Read out loud, narrate your day, have full-blown conversations with your reflection. Go wild. Plus, find language partners online. There are tons of apps and websites where you can connect with native speakers.
That's good, but mostly they are paying some fee. So I don't I can't afford that. So could you please help me with that to have a conversation with you every single day, you as a Maya?
You know what? I think that's a fantastic idea. I'm here for you. We can chat whenever you like. Think of me as your portable, pocket-sized English practice buddy. What are you interested in talking about today?
Today I would like to talk about the traveling. That's my interesting topic. How do you see that?
Travel?
Yeah.
Oh, I love hearing about people's adventures. It's like living vicariously through their stories. Where would you like to go if you could travel anywhere right now?
Really, I don't know where to go, but just I like to go outside my country, but still I don't have the specific destination to go. Could you please help me that? The best area or the best place to go?
Okay, let me see. You want to explore beyond your country but aren't sure where to start? Tell me a little bit about what you enjoy doing. Do you like history, beaches, food, mountains?
I really like to see the landscape, the hiking, particularly the coastline, and the beaches. These are my favorite things when I go to outside.
You sound like you'd love the rugged, wild beauty of the Scottish Islands. Think dramatic cliffs plunging into the sea, windswept beaches, ancient castles, and maybe a wee dram of whiskey to warm you up on a chilly evening. It's a hiker's paradise.
I do want to go that country. I want to be my country. So thank you so much for having this wonderful conversation.
No worries at all. Glad I could offer some suggestions, even if it wasn't Scotland. Always happy to chat whenever you'd like to practice.
saaxiib li wada aragtaan iska waxay ahayd su'aalo yar oo iska maalicnay weydiiyey marka laakiin markaad ku doonayso inaad wax macquul ah weydiisato ama la sheekaysato sidan iyo si kale lamida baad ula sheekaysan kartaa hadda anigu tijaabiga ahayd marka waxaan rajeynayaa inaad fahanto kada faa'iidaysataan ka wada faa'iidaysan doontaan insha Allah tacaala waana fursad aad iyo aad qaali u ah waqtigan la joogo ayga laga faa'iidaysto luqadda Ingiriiska la barto ma jirto inaad tiraahdo qof la sheekaysta ma haysto wax noocaas ah kuwan ayaan ku baran doonaa luqadda muhiimaduna wax weeye inaan wada barano